Imagine stepping on the gas pedal to pass someone on the highway, and instead of speeding up, your engine just falls flat on its face. That is the scary reality of a P2168 trouble code. This code indicates a problem with the throttle or pedal position sensor F maximum stop performance. This applies to vehicles with drive-by-wire systems, meaning there is no physical cable connecting your foot to the engine. It is all electronic signals. The code specifically means the powertrain control module, or PCM, has detected a voltage signal from the sensor designated as F that does not match what it expects to see when the pedal is pressed all the way down or at its maximum stop. Because this is a major safety issue, your car will likely go into what is known as limp mode. This means your speed will be severely limited, the engine might stall at idle, and your cruise control will be totally dead. The severity here is high because you lose the ability to accelerate reliably in traffic. The culprit is often the sensor itself, which is a potentiometer that changes resistance as you move the pedal. It could also be corroded connectors, a shorted wire, or a bad throttle body actuator motor. Diagnosing this requires a digital volt-ohm meter, or DVOM, and a scan tool. First, clear the codes and see if it comes back immediately. If it does, you need to look at the live data on your scanner. You are looking for voltage spikes. A good sensor should show a smooth transition from about 0.5 volts at idle up to about 4.5 volts at wide-open throttle. If you see the voltage jumping around erratically or hitting zero suddenly, that sensor is toast. You should also physically check the throttle body. Sometimes, carbon buildup can stick the plate open or closed, causing the sensor to give a reading that the computer thinks is impossible. Clean out any carbon gunk with an approved throttle body cleaner. If the wiring checks out, the ground signals are good, and the throttle plate is clean, you are likely looking at replacing the pedal assembly or the throttle body unit. Some manufacturers sell them as a single piece, so you cannot just swap the sensor. If you have done the voltage checks and everything looks perfect but the code persists, you might have a rare PCM failure, but that is the last resort. Drive safe and get that throttle checked out.